First at noon, will George and Cindy Anthony have to answer questions from Zenaida Gonzalez's attorneys? Well, in just a few hours, we could learn if they have to do just that. Mike DeForest live at the Orange County Courthouse. And Mike, we understand that the Anthony's attorney is trying to stop tomorrow's sworn deposition.
That's right. It's going to be happening in a hearing in just a little while. The Anthony's attorney believes that Zenaida Gonzalez's attorneys will simply be asking embarrassing questions that are irrelevant to their lawsuit against Casey Anthony. So in just a few hours, the attorney is going to be up in court asking a judge to either postpone or at least change the way that those depositions will be handled. Take a look at some video here of Zenaida Gonzalez. She is suing Casey Anthony for defamation and seeking more than $15,000 in punitive damages. Now, tomorrow morning, Zenaida's attorneys hope to put George and Cindy Anthony under oath to ask them questions about Kaylee's supposed babysitter, Zanny. In a highly unusual move, Zenaida's attorneys have invited the media into their offices to witness and even videotape tomorrow's depositions. Now, the Anthony's attorney is trying to stop that from taking place. He believes Zenaida's attorneys there are taking the deposition simply to embarrass or annoy George and Cindy, while also drumming up publicity for their own law firm. Instead, the Anthonys are asking that they be given a written questionnaire, just as their daughter Casey is filling out right now, in lieu of an in-person deposition. Another option they're seeking is to postpone those depositions until at least May. That's when the judge will be holding another hearing on whether this civil lawsuit is frivolous and should be thrown out. But Zenaida's attorneys say their client's reputation has been harmed long enough, and they want her name to be cleared as soon as possible. Now, I bumped into George and Cindy's attorney just a little while ago. He's hoping that the judge will cancel tomorrow's depositions, but if they don't, he says his clients will be there at the Morgan & Morgan law offices tomorrow morning. Also bumped into brother Lee Anthony's attorney. They have no plans to file any objections to the deposition. Lee is scheduled to be deposed on Friday, and his attorney says he will be there and they're not going to be fighting it. Reporting live at the Orange County Courthouse, Mike DeForest, Local 6.